Investment accounts are designed to be the new home for your money, where it can grow and flourish. Imagine this: you have some extra money. Instead of letting it sit idle, you want to make it work for you. It's not just sitting in your checking account, earning minimal interest. Instead, you put it into a special account designed to help it grow. That's an investment account. These accounts are tailored to maximize the potential of your money. It's like a savings account, but with the potential for bigger rewards. The key difference is the opportunity for higher returns. Investment accounts are your ticket to the world of investing. They open doors to various financial instruments. They let you buy and sell investments like stocks and bonds. This flexibility allows you to diversify your portfolio. These accounts are your partners in growing your wealth over time. They provide a structured way to build your financial future. Think of it like planting a seed. Your initial investment is the seed that has the potential to grow. You put your money, the seed, into an investment account. The soil, the right conditions can help it thrive. With time and care, your money has the potential to grow into something much bigger, like a beautiful tree. Patience and smart decisions are key. Investment accounts come in different flavors, but they all share the same goal: to help your money grow and work for you. Whether it's a retirement account, a brokerage account, or a college savings plan, each type has unique benefits. Before we continue, if you like this video, please remember to share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then watch some more of our videos. What's cooking in your portfolio? Stocks, bonds, and more. Now let's talk about what you can cook up in your investment account. Just like a chef uses different ingredients to create a delicious meal, you can use various financial instruments to build a robust investment portfolio. Just like a recipe calls for different ingredients, your investment portfolio can include a variety of securities, each adding its own flavor and benefit. Stocks. Imagine owning a tiny piece of a big company like Apple or Amazon. That's what stocks are. They represent a share of ownership in a company. You're buying a share of ownership, hoping the company will grow and your investment will increase in value. Stocks can offer high returns, but they also come with higher risks. Bonds. Think of bonds as loans to the government or companies. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending money to these entities. You lend them money, and they promise to pay you back with interest. Bonds are generally considered safer than stocks, but they usually offer lower returns. Bonds are generally considered less risky than stocks. They provide a steady income stream and are a good way to balance the risk in your portfolio. Mutual funds. Ever made a fruit salad? Mutual funds are similar. They combine different stocks or bonds into one package, offering a mix of investments. This allows you to invest in a diversified portfolio without having to pick individual stocks or bonds yourself. This helps you diversify your investments without putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversification can help manage risk and improve potential returns. These are just a few examples. There are many other investment options like ETFs, real estate, and commodities. There's a whole world of investments out there, each with its own risk and reward profile. Take the time to research and find the right mix for your financial goals. Brokerage accounts, your gateway to investing. Ready to start investing? You'll need a brokerage account. Think of it as your passport to the stock market and beyond. Brokerage accounts are offered by financial institutions and online platforms. These accounts act as intermediaries between you and the investment world. They provide the platform and tools you need to buy and sell securities. It's like having a personal shopper for your investments. Brokerage accounts offer a wide range of investment options, from individual stocks to mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. They also provide research, educational resources, and tools to help you make informed investment decisions. With a brokerage account, you're in the driver's seat, choosing where to invest your money and how much risk you're comfortable taking. How brokerage accounts work. It's like shopping for investments. Opening a brokerage account is easier than you think. It's like setting up an online shopping account, but instead of buying clothes or gadgets, you're investing in your future. 1. Choose a brokerage. Shop around and compare fees, features, and the types of investments offered. 2. Open an account. You'll need to provide some personal information and link your bank account. 3. Fund your account. Transfer money from your bank to your brokerage account. 4. Start investing. Browse available investments, research, and place your orders. Once you've bought an investment, it's added to your portfolio, which is like your investment shopping cart. You can track your investment's performance, buy more, or sell them when you're ready. Section 5. Why open a brokerage account? The perks. So, why open a brokerage account? Here are some compelling reasons. Grow your wealth. Investments have the potential to earn higher returns than traditional savings accounts, helping you build wealth over time. Reach your financial goals. Whether it's buying a home, retiring early, or traveling the world, investing can help you achieve your dreams. Fight inflation. Investing helps your money keep pace with inflation, ensuring your purchasing power isn't eroded over time. Start small, invest regularly. You don't need a fortune to start investing. Many brokerage accounts allow you to begin with small amounts and invest consistently over time. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making your money work for you over the long term. Section 6. Investing 101. Understanding the risks. Investing offers tremendous potential, but it's essential to understand the risks involved. Just like any journey, there can be bumps along the road. Market volatility. The value of your investments can go up and down in the short term due to market fluctuations. Investment losses. There's always a risk that you could lose money on your investments, especially in the short term. Inflation risk. If inflation rises faster than your investment returns, your purchasing power could be eroded. It's crucial to research your investments, diversify your portfolio, and invest for the long haul to mitigate these risks. Section 7. Baby steps to investing. Tips for beginners. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry. Investing can seem daunting at first, but with the right approach, you can ease into it smoothly. Here are some simple tips for beginner investors to get you started on the right foot. Start small. You don't need a lot of money to begin. Even a modest amount can grow over time with the right strategy. Start with an amount you're comfortable with and gradually increase your investments over time. This way, you can build confidence and experience without feeling overwhelmed. Invest regularly. Consider setting up automatic investments to consistently contribute to your portfolio, regardless of market fluctuations. This disciplined approach can help you stay on track. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification helps spread risk and can lead to more stable returns. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds to reduce risk. This way, if one investment underperforms, others may balance it out. Think long-term investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience is key. Focus on long-term growth and don't panic over short-term market swings. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you learn, the better your investment decisions will be. Take the time to educate yourself about investing before you dive in. Read books, attend seminars, and consult with financial advisors to build a solid foundation. Section 8. Don't just sit there, invest. It's easy to feel intimidated by the world of investing, but don't let fear hold you back from taking control of your financial future. Remember, you don't need to be a financial expert to start investing. The most important step is to simply begin. Open a brokerage account, start small, and invest consistently. Over time, you'll gain experience, confidence, and watch your wealth grow. Investing is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone who wants to build a secure financial future. Section 9. The future is bright. Investing for a secure tomorrow. Investing is not just about making money. It's about creating a better future for yourself and your loved ones. It's about achieving your dreams, securing your financial freedom, and living life on your own terms. By taking the first step towards investing, you're embarking on a journey of financial empowerment. You're taking control of your money and shaping your own destiny. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. So what are you waiting for? Your future self will thank you for it. If you liked this video, please share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and watch more of our great videos. Thanks for watching.